Hello friends, once again this is Anand with you with a new video lecture on data type. Today we consider characters and void as the primary data types of C, or we can say fundamental data types. In the past few lectures we considered the definition of data types, the categorization of data types, and in the last video we consider the integer data type and their sizes and the range of values. Today we consider characters. In C language, character is represented as CHAR, and we can express alphabets starting from small a and ending from small z. Also we can express capital A to capital Z. That means 26 characters of small alphabets and 26 characters of capital alphabets. We can also represent numbers from 0 to 9 and their combinations. We can also express special characters or symbols in the character data type. But these numbers are considered as characters. So if I am taking 0 as a character data type and store it in some variable, then I cannot perform any mathematical operation on that. If I want to do so, then I must have to convert them into numbers first. Then I can perform mathematical operations. So these are the expression alphabets and numbers and special characters. If I am talking about the type of characters, the storage in bytes and the range value, then we have two kind of characters here. That is one signed character and the other one is unsigned character. That means we can also apply sign plus or minus in alphabets representation. Signed character takes 1 byte of memory storage, and unsigned character also takes 1 storage of byte in memory. 1 means 8 bits, that also means 8 bit. The range starts from -128 to +127, and for unsigned character it starts from 0 to 255. Now how it is calculated, we consider this in the past lecture, so I hope you understand this very well. Now move on to the other data type, that is void. Void is a special kind of data type provided by C language that means nothing. If I am taking 0 or white space, then it is something. If I am multiplying 0 by some digit, it will become 0. But in case void means nothing. The question here is why we use the void data type as primary or fundamental data types provided in C language. There are some functions used in C language which we will discuss in later videos. The functions perform something and return some values. If functions didn't return any kind of value, then we use the void data type as a return value. So the void is a data type provided by C language. I hope character data type and void data type are explained well in this video lecture, and please share your feedbacks in comment section. Thank you.